Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Klaviyo email and SMS marketing. Klaviyo email and SMS marketing is a platform designed for e-commerce businesses and marketers to manage email and SMS marketing campaigns. Its main purpose is to help businesses build customer relationships and drive sales through targeted messaging. Key features include email automation, segmentation, A/B testing, and SMS integration. Their website provides details on pricing plans and features. Klaviyo positions itself as a powerful yet user-friendly solution, emphasizing its robust automation capabilities and integration with various e-commerce platforms. They highlight ease of use and pricing transparency, though specific pricing details are available on their website. Klaviyo's approach relies on leveraging data to personalize marketing communications, creating targeted campaigns. Availability is global, and you can check their website for more information. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Klaviyo. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process guided me through setting up my account and connecting it to my Shopify store. The interface is intuitive, and I quickly learned to navigate the dashboard. Creating email campaigns was easy. I particularly liked the drag-and-drop editor. I set up an automated welcome series and a post-purchase follow-up sequence. The performance has been excellent, emails deliver reliably, and I've seen a noticeable increase in engagement and sales since implementing Klaviyo. I had a quick question about list segmentation, and their support responded within a day via email, very helpful. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the powerful automation features. One minor drawback was the initial learning curve with the advanced segmentation options, but after some practice, it became second nature. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Klaviyo. It's a powerful tool that has significantly improved my marketing efforts. That's my overview of Klaviyo email and SMS marketing. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.